guys, and today I am going to unboxing this MI rechargeable LED lamp. So let's start the video. In the front of the box, as you can see that here is the picture of MI rechargeable LED lamp. On the side it is written some features about the lamp, as you can see that, and on the back side it is written about the rechargeable LED lamp. The price of this lamp is rupees 1800. So let's unbox this box. As you will open this box, here you will get the main unit. Here is the charger for charging this. It is also wireless, as you can see that. It is of good quality and the length is also very long, as you can see that. It is 1 meter in the length. Now if you open it from here, you can get this lamp, as you can see that. I will unbox and show you this. It comes out like this, and as you will open this like that, then you get the rechargeable lamp. Here it is written the function about this lamp. Here it is the button, as you can see that. I will tell you the features, and there is one manual in the box. You can rotate this like this, and if you want to turn on this light, then you have to only press this button. As you can see that I am pressing this button. As you can see that the light is on. In this lamp it is of 3 color modes. The one is white, and then another one is this, as you can see that. This is the another one, and now this is another one. As you can see that it is of yellow color. As you will press it once more, it will turn into another color, and if you press one more time, it comes in white color. If you want to turn off this lamp, then you can turn this off like this. You can see that. Let me turn off the light and show this to you. This lamp has long battery life. You can use this as emergency light source. It is very portable and adjustable. It is also very lightweight while charging it. At the back there is an port. The chargers are included. You not have to buy, but you will need an adapter to power it on. As you can see that I have put it on charging. Now this is charging. You can also use it while charging. This lamp also gives you very good battery life. As you can see that it is also very good looking, very handy. You can also use it while studying or to do any another work. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then also subscribe my channel, and also turn on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification of that video. If you want to buy this product, I will give you the link that will be in the description. So that is all for today, guys. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.